All right, with for loop being done, now let's get to the Gemini part. So let's click on this Gemini. Now in the if else problem, we've asked Gemini to give us a practice question, isn't it? Now you can use it in different ways as well. For example, let's say I want to explore or learn more about loops in Python, right? So let's say I want to ask a couple of questions. So starting with what kind of loops exist in Python? Okay, I don't know anything, so I just asked it what kind of loops exist in Python. So okay, it gave me two loops, for loop and while loop. Okay, now for example, okay, I learned about for loop, so what about the while loop? So I want to know the differences between these two. You can have that as well, right? Now let's say I want to ask the question, explain the difference between for loop and while loop. So while I'm typing this, so David, these are all very simple questions. Why are you telling us? See, I think the way to ask questions is what matters, and also your intention, right? So that is why I'm even though these look very basic, but I'm still trying to tell you how powerful this can be and the kind of right question that you need to ask. Okay, so explain the difference between for loop and while loop, and also you can mention use an example, right? So use an example or explain with an example, right? So with a coding example, something like this. If you put this, so not only it explains the difference, but it will also help us explain the difference with the code, with the implementation as well. Okay, so simple for loop, range of 5, print I, while loop, while I is less than 5. So both of them give you the right answers, right? So see you in the next module.